How to remove communities from WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Communities in the middle. Here, you can view the WhatsApp communities. Tap on See All as shown. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Community Info. Here, you can view and edit the community information and description. You can also manage the community settings. Now scroll down to the end and tap on Deactivate Community. Then tap on Deactivate and select Deactivate again to confirm. Once you deactivate this community, all the groups here will be disconnected. The announcement group will be closed and the community information will be deleted. You have now successfully deactivated this community. Following these steps, you can easily remove communities from WhatsApp.